Hello everyone. I figure since there are a lot of those of you who are new to junk journaling or may just be starting to, you may wonder how to do a book to make whatever journal you want or anything. Well, this is a discarded book from my local library. It has lots of these pretty flowers and stuff that would, I think, be good for collaging with. At this point, some of them might be good for a journaling card or something else like that, but till I make a decision and I want to use the book, I figure I'll show you how I make that happen. We take it and we get this corner or spot here, and we cut this edge. Like that. And I just use the very tip of this to cut it. I don't try to go too far with it, but some people do. And I'll admit that. And then now it's this part. So now I'm going to hold my book. And again, I'm going to be putting a small little indentation and go all the way down. And that's how simple it is. I know it don't seem simple. I know it seems rather difficult. And that is why quite often I don't just use my hardcovers like this to make a junk journal. Although I do love this cover. But you can also, I think, I can even get the tape off this. And if I can get the tape off this, I'm going to totally use this cover as a junk journal. But I don't have any nails at the moment, so I'm just trying to do this nice and carefully pull. So if it has a sticker, like what mine just did, you can carefully pull it off. And voila. Got it off. This part, I'm probably going to throw lace over. Either way, but the cover actually works great because it's rather, or it has this pattern paper background and everything, and no one really cares what the back looks like, so that I don't mind. So this cover I'll probably actually just use as a plain old cover, add my signature to it, if based off of how big this part is. I'm probably only going to do one signature, but it's going to be a signature of 20 to 25 pages, where if it was a thicker or a bigger cover, I'm going to use more pages, like what I'm doing with the butterfly journal. I have 3 signatures. They have less pages in them, but in all reality it's about the same amount of page, or they have, I want to say 13 pages to them, so it does come out to be about the same. So it does come out in the end. And this is a bit of an awkward one, but I think this one I probably would do, I want to say, just because of the height is around 6 3/4. And this part is about 6, it's 6 3/4 and 6 3/4. So if you find a 12 by 12 paper, you cut it in half, and voila, you got pages for this junk journal. So I might end up doing this one more of a scrapbooking paper journal inside it, which I know which kind I'm probably going to use already. But again, I want to do a quick short video, let you see how I do this, and then honestly, as I go through this, I'll figure out what ones I want to use for what, and I can do that off of camera. I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me doing that, but I'll go off and sort it out on what papers I want to keep for what idea. If I'm going to keep it for collage, or like this one I'd probably keep for backing, and just go through each page one by one and figure out what I'm going to do. Some of them I'm probably not going to be too sure about, but that happens. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye!